Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet very delicate and amazing project where you will use beads. Please join me. Let's crochet the item. I will begin from the chain. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this point, I am joining a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make single crochet with bead. Grab the yarn, pull up a loop, then take the yarn, pull it through, and make single crochet. Here what I have, and single crochet. I have got a chain space and single crochet. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a bead, put it on the hook, like this. Insert the hook into the single crochet that I did before. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make single crochet with bead. Continue chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a bead, put it on the hook, and make single crochet into the 2 loops of the previous single crochet. It is very easy to make. I joined 3 beads, then I'm going to join 3 more. In total it should be 6 of them. I've joined all 6 beads. Here what I have. This is the first round of my flower. I insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. The foundation ring is ready. This is the back side. Make a chain. I insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet into the chain space. I did a chain to bring up the yarn. I insert the hook into the chain space and thread like this. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done 7 single crochet into the chain space and make single crochet between chain spaces. Pull a little bit. Continue, make 7 single crochet into the next chain space. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread like this. make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and single crochet between 2 chain spaces. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's look at the back side. So you should work into the chain space and thread. Let's complete this round together. Make a slip stitch into the first chain stitch to complete this round. Pull a little bit. It is going to be a round of trim. I'm working with front loops only. Insert the hook into the front loop of each stitch. Make a slip stitch, chain, insert the hook into the front loop, chain, and make a slip stitch, chain, and make a slip stitch, chain, and slip stitch, chain, and slip stitch, chain, and slip stitch, chain. This is the single crochet that I did between chain spaces. I skip this stitch. I will not use this stitch. Then insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Make a slip stitch, chain, and slip stitch, chain, and slip stitch. Here what I have at this point, this is the back side. The back loops are free. Let's look at the front side. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together. This is the last single crochet. I'm making a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the front loop, make slip stitch. To complete this round, I skip the chain stitch. Here is my chain stitch that I will skip. Now I'm making stitches into the back loops only. Insert the hook into the back loop of the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Pull a little bit. Here what I have at this point, you can stop at any stage of my project. So I continue working with the next round. Make a chain, make single crochet. Let's crochet the first petal. Make a chain of 2, yarn over the hook twice, and make treble crochet into the same back loop. Yarn over the hook 3 times, work into the next back loop, make double treble crochet stitch through the next back loop, Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook through the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Work into the next back loop. Make 3 triple treble crochet stitches through the next back loop. One, yarn over the hook 4 times, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull through. Here what I have at this point, I continue working on my petal, yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook through the next back loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Then yarn over the hook 3 times, work through the next back loop, insert the hook through the next back loop, make double treble crochet stitch, then make treble crochet, chain of 2, and single crochet into the same back loop. So that's it, my first petal is ready. This cute petal made of different tall stitches. In total it should be 6 of them. I started the second one. Then you should continue working with your own. I skip the next back loop. This is the loop or stitch that I did between 2 chain spaces. I'm not using this stitch. I skip it. Insert the hook through the next one. Make single crochet. Chain of 2. Make treble crochet into the same back loop. Then yarn over the hook 3 times through the next back loop, and so on. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I am done all 6 petals. Let's complete this round. After I have done single crochet, I skip chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is done. They are 6 petals. My delicate petals are ready, but I still need to continue. Let's crochet the last round of this flower. It is going to be a round of trim. I'm making it the same way as I did in the middle part. Make a chain, make a slip stitch through the next stitch, chain, make a slip stitch, chain, and make a slip stitch, chain, and continue. Make a slip stitch, chain, and a slip stitch, chain and 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 slip stitch, chain, make a slip stitch into the single crochet, chain, make a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain and slip stitch, chain. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Here what I have at this point. You should work with your own. Then I will show you how to complete this round together. Here how my flower looks like. Let's complete it together. I did the last slip stitch. Then make a chain. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch and single crochet that I did before. Make a slip stitch. To complete this round, to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off the yarn. Pull a little bit. So that's it, my flower is ready. I just need to straighten up my petals and remove the yarn. And let's look what I have done. So that's it, my cute project is done. Here how it looks like. Each flower consists of 6 petals and each petal made of different tall stitches. Let's look at the back side of my flower. The middle part consists of 6 beads. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook for this project. This item could be perfect like accessories or like a separate motif. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use such item. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. See you and bye!